Good evening, everyone. With you, I am Ms. Sananda Biswas from West Bengal State. You're watching BSG News brought to you by Bharat Scouts and Guides. Let's see this week's top headlines. 72nd Republic Day was celebrated throughout the country. Master Rakesh Krishna, a scout of Dakshina Kannada district of Karnataka, Bharat Scouts and Guides, awarded Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar for the year 2021 for his innovative work on seed sowing machine Serographer. Siddharth Kalita, a Nipun rover from Nalbari, Assam, has marked his position in the India Book of Records 2021 for the maximum portraits for famous personalities made on chalk. 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose observed throughout the country on 23rd January by the members. Free Being Me, an action on body confidence state level workshop successfully conducted by Nagaland State at Dimapur. Scouts and Guides participated in National Voters' Day on 25th January. State level virtual singing competition was organized by Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Sri Shumit Sarkar, District President and DRM Asansol, opened competitive library on the occasion of Netaji Jayanti. 32nd National Road Safety Week organized by East Central Railway and Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Discussion on opening Rover Ranger Unit in JP University, Saran, Bihar. Basic course for Scoutmaster, Guide Captain, Rover Scout Leader and Ranger Leader successfully conducted at Saptagram College, Dhubari, Assam. News in details. Scouts and Guides throughout the country celebrated 72nd Republic Day. They also took part in March Past ceremonial parade at subdivision, district and state level, apart from their own institution as informed by the states. Various cultural programs was also organized on this occasion. Master Rakesh Krishna, a scout of Dakshina Kannada district at Karnataka, Bharat Scouts and Guides, received Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar for the year 2021 as he invented Serographer for systematic cultivation. Rakesh Krishna, appreciated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, for his work. It's proud for Bharat Scouts and Guides. Siddharth Kalita, a Nipun rover from Nalbari, Assam, has marked his position in the India Book of Records 2021 for the maximum portraits of famous personality made on chalk. Siddharth Kalita, born on 10th October 2000 and currently pursuing his BCom degree from Nalbari Commerce College. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. This was the slogan of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. 125th birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose was celebrated by Bharat Scouts and Guides of Katihar and NGP division of NF Railway. Sri Vijay Kumar Chaudhary, Vice President, flag off the cycle rally on 23rd morning at Katihar. About 75 scouts and guides took part in the rally for creating awareness in the community about COVID-19 vaccine. In NGP, investiture ceremony of guides and rangers was organized by the unit leaders of the Mother Teresa Open Guide Company and Navigator Ranger team was led by Mrs. Krishna Badhai and Mrs. Naina Thapa. A cycle rally was organized by St. Joseph High School, Moranhat Scouts Troop, Shivasagar district of Assam on the occasion and covered almost 20 kilometers of cycle rally. Parakram Divas, birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, celebrated at state headquarters of Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Secretary Srimati M. Varalakshmi garlanded the statue of Netaji. This day was also observed in various districts of Telangana state. On the occasion of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday, Guntur District Association of Andhra Pradesh Scouters and Guiders distributed breakfast and fruits to the patient and sanitary workers at Amrita Community Health Center. Scouters and Guiders also distributed fruits at Saya Old Age Home. 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was celebrated by Bhavra Shanti Vidyapit, KC Gurukul and Primary School Julat celebrated as Parakram Divas on 23rd January 2021. On 23rd January 2021, Netaji Jayanti was celebrated throughout the country, paying a tribute to the greatest freedom fighter of the Republic of India. On this occasion, members of Bharat Scouts and Guides participated in march past, blood donation camp and social service activities. Sri Shumit Sarkar, District President of DRM Asansol, inaugurated competitive library on the occasion of Netaji Jayanti at District Training Center of Asansol District on 23rd January 2021. In the glorious presence of Mr. Neeraj Kumar Verma, District Commissioner Scouts of Asansol District and other dignitaries for the benefit of the young aspiring youth. On the auspicious occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Netaji, group level workshop on Freeing Me and Action on Body Confidence was organized by South Group of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides under the leadership of Mr. Shubhodip Chatterjee, HWB Scoutmaster. Freeing Me and Action on Body Confidence activities was organized by the three tenors from 36 rovers, rangers and unit leaders. Blood donation camp was organized by the members of East Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides and South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides on the occasion of Netaji Jayanti on 23rd January 2021, in which Scout Guide members donated blood for a cause. State level workshop on Freeing Me and Action on Body Confidence has been successfully conducted by Nagaland State. 50 unit leaders actively took part in the workshop under the leadership of Ms. Imlikala, State Coordinator FMB ABC and UPS. This was the third state level FMB ABC workshop held at Vidya Bhavan HR Secondary School, Dimapur from 26 to 28 January 2021. Mr. Atuo Mizhur Sekhosi, SCC Nagaland, blessed the inaugural session on 26 January. During the lockdown, 2 virtual workshops was already conducted by the state. Rovers and Rangers of Arunachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides bid a farewell to Sri CBP Singh SOC Scout at Polo Colony, Nahar Lagoon on 24 January. Sri Singh was very sincere, dedicated and served as a DTO at Papumpari district for many years. He also served as a SOC Scout for 2 years and performed his best for the development of the scouting guiding movement at the district, state and the regional level. Scout and Guides participated in National Voters Day on 25th January at Lower Dibang Valley district of Arunachal Pradesh. The program was organized by the District Election Office, Lower Dibang Valley district. Maharshi district of Tamil Nadu state, Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted 4th online Tritiya Sopan district camp for the Scouts and Guides from 22nd to 24th January 2021. 60 Scout and 55 Guides with 20 unit leaders participated. Scouts and Guides Andhra Pradesh State Association conducted Rajya Puraskar testing camp for Scouts at Visakhapatnam State District from 20 to 24 January 2021. Under the leadership of Sri D. Venugopal, LT Scout, 70 scouts attended in the camp. Newly constructed Scout Guide Bhavan of BBMP District Association of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides at Shantigurha, Bengaluru, was visited by Sri C.T. Ravi, National General Secretary of BJP, and former Minister of Kannada Culture and Tourism, Government of Karnataka, on 23rd January 2021. Various officials of the Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides were also present on the occasion. Rajya Puraskar and Rashtrapati Award Preparation Camp for Scout, Guide, Rovers and Ranger organized by the Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized at ICF District Headquarters Chennai on 24 January 2021. Rovers and Rangers of Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their services at Necklace Road by sanitizing and distributing masks for those who attended Bharata Martha Harati, a ritual of giving Aarti to the Mother India on the occasion of Republic Day. This ritual was started by Honorable Minister of Home Affairs Sri G. Kishan Reddy on the year 2016. Tamil Nadu Bharat Scouts and Guides, Maharishi District Scouts and Guides Color Party welcomed the Education Minister of Tamil Nadu and Vice Patron of TNB Angie on 26 January 2021. National Girl Child Day on 24 January 2021 observed at Vidhan Shaudha, Bangalore by BBMP District Association of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides. An awareness route march was also organized at Vidhana Shaudha. Dr. Shalini Rajesh IAS, Additional Chief Secretary of Government of Karnataka, was the chief guest of the program. Maitri Guide Group of Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed Girl Child Day on 24 January 2021. Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized virtual singing competition at state level on 25 January 2021. 10 Rovers and Rangers of Government College Mandi rendered their service under the project Sahbagita Mandi at Tarna Devi Temple Mandi on 25 January 2021. Rovers and Rangers from Snowland Open Group Kullu collected and distributed warm cloths in slum area on 25 January 2021. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides Bandipora team rendered their service and distributed masks on the inaugural ceremony of issuance of health cards by Health Department on 25 January 2021. Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted first online beginner course at state headquarters on 22nd January 2021, in which 26 participated. District Balod of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized an environment awareness bike rally on 23rd January 2021 from Ganga Maiya, Jalmala to Shyadevi Nagargon. 150 scouters and guiders took part in it. On the occasion of Republic Day, District Garyaban, Chhattisgarh presented Rajya Puraskar certificates to 56 scouts and guides at District Education Officer's office. On 22nd January 2021, Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides has organized a program to honor scouts, guides, rover, rangers, scouters and guiders who rendered their services during COVID-19 pandemic. On 23rd January 2021, Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Shaikar organized a program for 24 days along with Eco Club on the occasion of Balika Divas for the beautification and cleaning of Mahadev Sagar Lake with the help of scouts, guides, rovers and rangers. District Association Fatehpur Shekhawati was organized rally under the road safety on 24 January 2021. On the inspirational call of Mr. Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, members of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Fit India Awareness Campaign on 21st January, where more than 60 members participated for a cause. In the collaboration with Golanthara Police, Ganjam district of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized 32nd National Road Safety Week. Public awareness on using helmet, safety measures to be taken, etc. was organized under the leadership of Mrs. Monalisa Das, unit leader. On 27 January 2021, Rovers and Rangers of Garhara district of East Central Railway organized Nukad Natak on level crossing at Garhara railway station. Level crossing premises to aware the local people of the community under the leadership of Jivanand Mishra. Ms. Ruby Parvat, National Wax Coordinator, and Sri Alok Ranjan, District Organizing Commissioner Scout, met with the Vice Chancellor of JP University Sharon Bihar, Professor Dr. Farooq Ali, for opening new Rover Ranger unit. A workshop on sanitizer making was organized by SB Secondary High School of Ganjam district of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 23rd January, in which proper method of making hand sanitizer was demonstrated by Mona Lisa Das, unit leader of the unit, to the Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers. With a new approach toward quality education and due to COVID-19, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides had started online Rajpur Scout test. This test was taken online for more than 500 participants participated from Mayurbhanj and Puri district on 25th January 2021 under the leadership of Mrs. Anamika Das, State Organizing Commissioner's Guide. Mokashya is a series of service campaign organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Under this initiative, they all are also organizing Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in various places of Odisha. Basic course of Scoutmaster, Guide Captain, Rover Scout Leader and Ranger Leader successfully conducted at Saptagram College, Dhuburi, Assam from 17 to 23rd January 2021. 86 candidates undergone the training. The course was conducted under the initiative of Dr. Padma Guha Agarwal, ALT Ranger. Scouts and Guides of the Shivsagar, Assam were invited for various services during the rally of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, on 23rd January 2021. The Deputy Commissioner of Shivsagar invites the Scouts and Guides leader and deployed in various duties in the rally. 30 unit leaders took part in the service under the leadership of Mr. Pawan Bohra, District Secretary, Shivsagar. Moving on to the fourth upcoming events. State level workshop on Freeing Me and Action on Body Confidence will be organized by Bihar Eastern Railway, East Central Railway, Odisha and West Bengal. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi is going to organize national level COVID protection cum environment awareness program for adult leaders at Katra, Jammu and Kashmir from 24 to 28 February 2021. Honor Regional Level Skill Development Program for Youth from 8 to 12 February 2021 of Northern Region. For the first time, the online FMB ABC training workshop will be organized by Northeastern region of Bharat Scouts and Guides from 2nd to 4th February 2021 from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. 2 hours in a day for 3 days. On the response of the regional circular, more than 200 Scout Guides, Rovers and Rangers applied for the training, and the first batch will start on 2nd October with 80 trainees. Regional headquarters plan a series of online training to contribute to create a appearance-related anxiety-free society by developing self-esteem and body confidence. A workshop on 6 leadership mindset of works would be held from 18 to 23rd March 2021 for the National Youth Committee members physically at Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters. Thank you for watching.